Are you someone who just stepped into 11th grade, took up commerce and is now confused? Maths loo ya na loo? Then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Manya Agrawal, a CA Foundation student at Excel Educational Institute, Raipur, and in this video I'll be sharing my experience of taking up maths and offering a few suggestions for those who have taken up commerce and are considering maths as an option. I chose maths, and even though I wasn't great at it, I've never regretted it for a second. See, maths often does come with a lot of hesitation, and some of the most common reasons why people don't take up maths is because they think they aren't great at it. They're afraid that it might affect their overall percentage, or they fear and believe that it won't genuinely be relevant in their future studies. See, all of these reasons are completely understandable, so let's address this once by one thoughtfully. Let's begin with the most significant question. Why should one even consider taking maths in the first place? See, maths builds a foundation that is deeply useful in almost every field of commerce. Whether you go for graduation, pursue CA, or go for any course or degree after class 12th, you have to study maths in some form or the other. You can't run away from it. Almost all entrance exams of colleges, top business schools, and even if you opt for MBA, they require a solid grasp of basic mathematical concepts. And if you go for competitive exams like CUET or go for BCom specializations such as economic honors or financial analysis, maths is often mandatory or a highly recommended subject. So taking up maths opens a broader spectrum of academic and career opportunities in life. So just imagine 12th के बाद इतने कम टाइम पे इतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर होता है मैथ्स के इन कॉन्सेप्ट्स को सीखने का कि it will be extremely difficult for you. Whereas if you would have already studied this in the tenure of 2 years in 11th and 12th, तो तुम्हारी conceptual clarity peak पे होगी और तुम्हारा confidence next level होगा. There is a reason why the board has included applied maths as an option for commerce students, because much of its syllabus is genuinely practical and relevant. Topics like financial mathematics, logical reasoning, data interpretation, statistics, probability are not just theoretical concepts. They mirror real-world situations जो हम actually encounter करते हैं in business, finance, and economics. The very reason why we find all these topics in almost all competitive and entrance exams. Moving on, if you're worried that taking up maths will affect your overall percentage, then let's just be clear that most schools best of 5 policy follow करते हैं, जिसमें they take the grades of your top 5 subjects to calculate your overall percentage. So taking maths shouldn't be a problem as long as you manage your other subjects well. So if you take up maths, give even sufficient time to it, mixed with your teacher's guidance, it'll just be perfect. And if you enroll in our institute, our Saurabh sir makes the subject so fun and interesting, you'll fall in love with the subject. He's so thoughtful and considerate, he makes sure that no student is left behind. No doubt is ever too silly, and there's a doubt clearance session after every class of his. He explained the concepts in such a fun story format. The concepts are explained with so much patience, and he explains the logic behind every ring so beautifully that you will forget that you ever had even an ounce of hatred for the subject. So if you're on the fence whether to take maths or not, do not dismiss it out of fear. Consider its long-term benefits, and most importantly, believe in your ability to grow into it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.